On this episode of Designing Spaces, non-slip grip tape ideal for around the home, expert roofing solutions, renovations and remodels, plus lots more. It's time to design. Let's go. Slips and falls happen every day and can occur anywhere. Many of these injuries sustained from these falls can be prevented when appropriate precautions are taken.
VersaTraction, we started back as a surf company back in 2007, actually, and there had to be a better solution than the actual heavy EVA mat that goes on your board. So they came up with this engineered process that etches into your board and becomes, grippy when wet. Out came a couple other products. One we started was No Slip Mat, which ended up being our Kahuna Grip bath mats, now our top seller. VersaTraction product, it's a wide variety. It's keeping you safe inside your home, workplace, boat, surfboard, water sports, anywhere you can stick it, it goes.
Stop slipping and start gripping. VersaTraction is essential for when you need more non-skid grip.
Once our traction becomes wet, it becomes grippy. It's like a suction cup to the bottom of your feet or the soles of your shoes. It is non-abrasive. Most of them are like a sandpaper, and ours is completely soft to the touch, and it doesn't wear out like all the other ones. Over time, sandpaper kind of wears out and becomes smooth. And then the other alternative to that would be a vinyl that, once it becomes wet, it becomes a lot more slippery than grippy. One of its many applications is around your pool area. It's like a little stick you peel off the back and you lay it down on the surface, and as you lay it down, you smooth it out. Easily conformable, and it can contour into any shape that you really need. Very durable, as you can see. And if you need to cut it, it's paper thin, so it's easy to cut with regular scissors.
I purchased VersaTraction because I had a very dangerous fall in my shower, and it scared me to death, so I looked for something that I could use in my shower and bathtub that would prevent me from slipping and falling. Both the bath mat and the shower mat. Very easy to install. I've had mine for 2 years now, and it's still just like new. It washes easily. I never feel like I'm gonna slip or fall at all when I take a shower or bath now. Another use that I have found is in my garage. And when it's been raining so much lately, it was very slippery at my side door and the back door to my garage. So I took some of the strips and put them down in my garage floor, and that solved the problem completely. I recommend it to all my friends.
Made in America from high-quality materials, this patented peel and stick is grippy, not sticky.
VersaTraction's made out of a poly blend diamond groove material with a patent process that we do on top of it that creates little tiny microbes that become suction cups when wet. It becomes grippy, not sticky. Our poly blend material is actually treated so it will not yellow in the sun or discolor over time.
Not just for one place, VersaTraction is for every place.
Our VersaTraction product is so versatile it can be used anywhere, inside your home, in your garage, around the pool area, your truck, your trailer steps, your boat, kayak, surfboard. The application possibilities are endless. Our product will keep everyone safe.
To learn more about VersaTraction, visit the website at VersaTraction.com and designingspaces.tv. Has your roof seen better days? If so, then now is the perfect time for an upgrade. Beyond functionality, modern homeowners are eager to enhance the curb appeal of their properties. This has given rise to innovative roofing designs and materials that add a touch of style to every home.
I started out with old homes and barns. That's what I did, and now we're doing everybody's home. We've been in business since 2004, and we've been putting on really nice roofs on really nice homes. I've always loved older homes, which we have a lot of in our beautiful Hudson Valley.
For more than 2 decades, Sheeley Roofing has been providing roofing services to the extended Hudson Valley region, delivering durable roofing solutions throughout the tri-state area.
Our company spends a lot of money to make sure that we're insured correctly to protect you and our employees and everyone who's involved in the industry. When looking for a roofing contractor, you want to look for good Google reviews, and you want to make sure that they've been in business a while. You can talk to people in your community and ask who they hired, you know, for their roof. That's always good. I have been putting on roofs on houses, and I've been busy for 20 years, all on word of mouth. The details are important because once the roof is done, if you haven't paid attention to the details and there are problems, it's costly for everyone, especially the homeowner. Our goal is to come into your property, put a new roof on your home, and when we leave, you are set. It's important that a reputable roofing contractor obtain the proper permits for your project. If we do not, you could find that your project is stalled in the middle.
Not every roof uses the same type of materials. For a durable and long-lasting roof, it's imperative that you choose the proper type of roofing materials for your home and your climate.
The most common roofing material is asphalt shingles on homes in our area for, homes of all ages. Even the older homes that you see will be roofed with asphalt shingles, even if their original roof might have been cedar shingles or metal or even slate. But in the Hudson Valley, older homes usually started their life with cedar shingles. And we do a lot of that, either replacing cedar roofs on stone homes or restoring the roof. There's 3 goals here for a roof, and the first one is a safe and dry home. The second be aesthetics, which also includes longevity, and then the third would be budget. The reason you see so many asphalt shingle roofs is that they are usually the least expensive. Cedar is a beautiful material. A cedar roof is 25 to 40 years. Metal, a little bit less money than a cedar roof, but more money than an asphalt roof. A properly installed standing seam metal roof will last generations. And on a lot of the new homes that you see going up in our area, you see standing seam roofing is the material of choice, aesthetically and for the longevity. There's a saying that copper is actually the cheapest roof you can put on your home because you'll never have to replace it. But it's definitely not the least expensive on initial outlay. Metal roofs are sustainable in the fact that the material is recyclable. So metal roof is definitely a very environmentally conscious choice if you are thinking about that.
Once you've chosen the right materials, the install process is next.
The install process can just be anywhere from a single day to maybe a week. If we're replacing a roof on your home, the first step, of course, is arriving and setting up all our equipment and protecting your landscaping and your deck to make sure that we don't damage your property. And then the next step is removing the old roof and checking for damage. A lot of times we will re-nail all the plywood decking that's on your home. We'll replace any wood that we find that's rotten. And then we install the underlayment, which is whatever is appropriate for the material we're installing.
Working with Sheeley was a great experience. I've known that they're a quality company who do dependable, reliable work. And when my house needed a metal roof, I called Pat. There wasn't a dumpster outside for a week. Everything was clean and neat and fast.
If you put an asphalt roof on your home with our company, we will be offering you a GAF Golden Pledge Warranty. The GAF Golden Pledge Warranty is 50 years of protection for you if something happens to your roof.
To find out more about Sheeley Roofing, visit SheeleyRoofing.com and DesigningsPaces.tv. Remodeling a home in New York City, one of the world's most vibrant cities, is a dream come true for many homeowners. However, it can come with a unique set of challenges. Considering factors like the scope of work, required permits, and labor costs should be on the top of your list. Let's learn more from our local experts at Tight Lynx Construction.
Owning a home in New York City is one of the goals that a lot of people want to have, but it's a big commitment. A lot of times, even when people buy a home, it's they need a lot of renovations done to their home, so that choosing the right contractor will make that dream come true. It's very important to use the right contractor because most people are not reliable, they're not honest, and they scam. They only care about the money, and they leave the homeowner in violation sometimes and in mess. When people are looking to renovate, they should focus on getting a contractor who are honest, reliable, who are credentialed. They're licensed within DOB, they're licensed within DCA, and they have their insurance and all the criteria. Having references is very important, so that they can refer to past work that somebody have done before. Tight Lynx Construction is very reliable. We do the work quickly, efficient, professional, and we do the right steps in order to get the job done. We do everything from interior to exterior. There's no job that we haven't seen or done that we haven't completed 100% satisfactory.
By planning meticulously, navigating the city's regulations, and working with the right professionals, you can transform your NYC home into a functional and stylish living space.
So it doesn't matter what kind of projects you got, bathroom, kitchen, concrete, new construction, renovation, we're here to cover it all. I think the one thing that separates us from construction companies is that we are reliable, we are truthful, we get the job done quick, we are very affordable, and we are trustworthy. Tight Lynx is a play on word. Basically, it signifies courage. It's relatable to the animal lynx, which is very ferocious and courageous. And it's also, when you hear the word lynx, it sounds like LINKS, which stands for unity. We lynx every licensed professional there is to solve a problem, whether it's electrical work, plumbing work, architectural work, or construction. We are unified to help the customer.
There are a lot of challenges in a home when it comes to interior designing. Some of those challenges would lead from simple time management, as well as budgeting, and as well as curating a design for a space based on the size of that space. We have clients that want their home to be designed within a particular timeline, and we have to work around that client's timeline so that we can please them the best way that we can. Budgeting sometimes, most times that is, becomes challenging because in cases whereby the client may have an idea that they want for their home, but it may or may not fit their budget. However, we do try to curate a budget that will be manageable for that client so that they can at least, or in most cases, get their dream home and feel comfortable in their homes. Space is always a big deal. Sometimes we have to downsize on what pieces we require or the client requires for that home, and sometimes we need to upsize. Those are some challenges, but we do offer many solutions to please our clients. A lot of homeowners are not aware of the types of design they need or they like for their home. Where I come in is I help to demonstrate what the types of designs are. We would, in most cases, demonstrate using a 3D panel for the client so they have a visual of what the layout of their home would be. Okay, once that is approved, and then it's a go. In regards to giving a client any tips or tricks when it relates to interior designing for their home, I would require demonstrating or identifying your space, ensuring that your space is workable, and secondly, ensuring that whatever pieces you choose for your space, it would not clutter your space, or it would not leave your space looking empty at the same time. So your space, your color palette, choose colors that you are more comfortable with. Choose colors that you want to either make your home look cozy or large. When it comes to area rugs, you want to choose area rugs that goes with the aesthetic of your home, like your furniture, your wall art, your sculpture. Now, throw pillows are a thing. It's a big thing. Everyone loves a throw pillow. You're cozy up on the couch, you want a comfortable pillow, and the down pillows are the best one. Comfortable. Again, color matters. Aesthetic. Keep in mind Whatever your design is, your pillows, your rugs, it should all align. In cases whereby I have a client who has little to no knowledge about designing or has no cares, like some of my male clients, they're not very exposed to the interior designing. This is where we come in with our demonstration. We put pieces together such as cloth, such as color, and we let them choose what color they like, and then we blend it with that so that they know, like, okay, this is what you like, we can work with this. We can have pillows, make you feel comfortable. We can have a rug. You want a man cave? We can create a man cave, make you comfortable in your man cave. We can also make you comfortable in your bedroom or your living room. We can make your kitchen, make you want to cook every day. We just highlight every single thing for your liking. So working along with Tight Lynx Construction has been one of the most rewarding and commendable jobs. We work as a team and we're able to execute every project to please our clients. When one person or one team member is short on, the other picks up. So everyone puts in their ideas, their innovation, and that project becomes something miraculous.
When we have somebody calling us for home renovation, we basically go to their home, show them all the ideas that we can possibly do in their home, show them the price range of everything, and make them know that what they're facing before it starts. We're very meticulous in the work that we do. We do not cut corners at all. We pride ourselves on using the best materials because the best materials last longer, is more durable, it gives you a better review in the long run. We pride ourselves by making homes handicap accessible by putting ramps in entryways, bars in bathrooms. We make it customizable so that way they can reach certain areas without actually getting up. So we have a customer that have disability. We prioritize their needs.
With customer service being second to none, customers refer Tight Lynx Construction again and again.
We strive on making people see the improvements in their home. We love the reaction that we get from people when we see the smile on their face and they see that the job is a well done job, and everybody comes to them and asks, who did this job? We had people crying, bursting in tears because they couldn't actually believe what they was walking into after it was finished. We made them so happy.
For more information on Tight Lynx Construction, visit tightlynxconstruction.com or go to our website at designingspaces.tv. For more information about anything you've seen on today's show, or to become part of Designing Spaces, go to our website, designingspaces.tv.